welcome back to the Jamaican Taste Buds Kitchen. My name is Aisha and today's video is gonna be a different type of video. I received a package this week and what this is a gift from one of my dear friends, Earl from Minnesota. Big up yourself. So guys, I do have a lot of supporters on my channel and this has been a big motivation for me so I could make my channel grow. So today's video is gonna be about a show and tell. So guys, what I'll be doing guys, this is a wheel and it's gonna be called Wheel of Kitchen for the Jamaican Taste Buds Kitchen guys. So what the purpose of this wheel is for is once I assemble the wheel, some weeks I'm gonna pick winners for different prizes, and what I'll be doing guys some weeks is I'll be also choosing a meal at random because I've gotten a lot of requests and sometimes I have so many recipes. I think what I will do is just spin the wheel and see who's gonna be the lucky winner. So guys, just come on this journey with me as I show you how I assemble my Wheel of Kitchen. Okay guys, so this is not a sponsored video. This is a gift from one of my dear friends and it's gonna be a wheel like, you know how you have Wheel of Fortune? And I think this is gonna be a little different for my channel. Guys, I'm trying to make my channel very interactive. So that's the idea of me trying to do different things for my channel. So I am going to attempt to put this together. And you know, in life they say reading is fundamental. So in here there is a manual. So once this is set up, this is what the wheel is gonna look like. So let's see, this is a manual from the company. Let's see if reading is actually fundamental today. So what I have guys, this is, you know, it has a lot of magnets inside. Ooh, and look guys, it has an eraser. Wait, is this an eraser? Yeah. And it has a marker. This bolt, what is this? I don't know if that's a bolt. Oh, yeah, it's a bolt. And I guess this thing here is called a wing nut. And then I got 4 washers. Reading is fundamental, I'm telling you. I got 4 washers. And then in this bag, I got wheel tools. And I guess I've gotten extras. This is what they call the wheel tool guide. I got some screws. I guess this is the part where when you spin the wheel, and it's in one of my favorite colors, red. And I guess when you spin the wheel, this is gonna help to stop the wheel from spinning. This is gonna be the upper rod. So I guess this is where the wheel connects and this is where it spins on top. I guess this is a plastic covering. I'll figure out where this actually goes. I'm not even sure yet. I guess I got a smaller bolt. I'll figure where that goes to. And it comes with another wing nut and a washer. Guys, I actually don't really use this tool. I don't know. Maybe it's a female thing. I don't really use it. I just use my fingers, screw everything together. The party of the show. Nicely packaged. Ooh la la. Aha, aha, aha. So this is the wheel guys. Look at the vibrant colors on this wheel guys. And I'll figure out what this is. I'm not sure what this is yet. Oh look, it snaps right on. I'm gonna attempt to put this together. So watch me either make a fool of myself or become a mini master engineer. Guys, a lot of times when I have stuff to assemble, I like to do them by myself because that's how I learn and I like a challenge. So the first thing I have is the base. And I'm guessing from the rubbish suctions, this stays flat. Bam. Always put the washer on. I'm gonna have to research what the purpose of the washer is because I actually don't know. Maybe you guys can drop a comment and tell me what the purpose of the washer is. Always saw my dad putting washers on because he's like a jack of all trades. Credits to you, Dad. Boom, success. I guess I figured what this is for. So this little plastic is a covering for the screw. See? So it covers that up. Reading is fundamental, right? Step number 3. So guys, now I guess I'm going to put my wheel on its bracket. Who said I wasn't smart, right? Who said I wasn't smart? Okay, keep these washers together because I don't know which one goes first. I'm assuming washer A goes closest to the item. Aha! See, we're on track, right? I don't think that was right. This isn't right. Wait, what? Where's my dad when I need him? No, sir. Washer type C goes first. Okay, guys, here's my confusion. They said washer type A, B, C, but I have 4 washers. I'm a little confused. Is it extras? Because I'm guessing all of them are different sizes. Oh, guess what? I have 2 of washer type B. So maybe it's extras. Please, guys, just drop a comment and let me know if these are extras. Help me. Washer type C, washer type A, and then washer type C. So I guess I add washer C first, then washer A, then washer C. I put it here. Next I add washer B. And then I add the wing nut. See? Who said I wasn't smart? Okay, it's coming along very well. And I'm guessing this is where the tool comes into play. Oh, look at that. The next step, I guess we're gonna add this here. So they put these little babies in to hold the plastic covering and the backing together. That's smart. So guys, the next step we're gonna do, this was actually easier than I thought. I thought I was gonna start getting flustered. So I guess guys, the next thing we're gonna do is put these screws in, and according to the manual, I'm gonna put it from the back. Oh, that's pretty easy. And you just screw them on. What I'm guessing, guys, is that this here that they have is an extra one. That's what I'm guessing. As I say, guys, reading is fundamental. My handiwork is on its way. This is how we do it in the Jamaican Taste Buds kitchen. My wheel of kitchen is almost finished, guys. I just love this guy. It's just so cute, isn't it? It's really, really cute. Birds flying high. This is how I feel. Sun in the sky. This is how I feel. Breeze drifting on by. This is how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me, and I'm feeling good. Okay guys, so my project is on its way, and I'm glad that you guys came on this journey with me, because I'm really excited to use this wheel, guys. I'm very elated, and I'm thankful again for all the supporters on my channel and people who, you know, just people were motivating me and asking me, hey, I can't wait for the next video, or try this video next. You know, guys. And again, as I said, Earl, thank you so much. You're one of my biggest supporters. Big up yourself for this nice gift. I really, really love it. Really love it. Because sometimes, guys, you know, you see some things in pictures and then when it comes, it's a lot better than what you expected. So, I'm almost done. Almost done. My new word for 2020 is fire. And this wheel is fire. The wheel of kitchen. This is gonna help me to do my meal challenges. Help me to choose winners on occasion. Lots of good things coming up for this channel, guys. Lots of good things. And as I said, the support is very motivating, guys. Very. So guys, I'm guessing I have only one extra one left, and that's always good to have a backup. Okay guys, so now that I've assembled my wheel of kitchen, just tell me what you think, guys. Leave a thumbs up and just let me know what you think about my wheel of kitchen. So basically, guys, as I said, I will be using this to choose like winners on occasion once my channel starts growing a little bigger, and then I will also use this to choose to make different type of recipes, like a recipe challenge. So whatever the wheel chooses, that's what I have to make. I have to make it. So like, let me show you guys an example. So, oh, look at that. Isn't that nifty? So just okay guys, I'm just gonna show you an example of what I'll be doing with my wheel. So guys, I'm just gonna show, oh, this suction is something else. Okay guys, I'm just gonna demonstrate, you know, an example of what I'll be doing when I'm ready to use the wheel. So say names are on the wheel or recipes, I'll just be choosing one at random and I can't cheat. And you guys will be going through that journey with me on video, so you know that whatever I spin, that's what I have to do. Okay, so here goes. Huh, that was short-lived. Let's do this harder, girl. You can do it. Money, money, money. So see guys, so say, I don't know, ice cream or jerk chicken is on number 10. That's the one I have to do, guys. This is my wheel of kitchen, guys, and thank you so much for going through this journey with me today, guys. I just really enjoyed doing this video, guys. See, this is magnetic. I just really enjoyed doing this video, and I really, really love putting this wheel together, guys, on video for you. So if you really like this video, guys, just give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think about my video today. Okay guys, remember to subscribe, like, share, comment on this video, and tell me what you think about my video today.